Okay, so here we are. Hi, and I'm using a new mic. Tell me what you think. And this is a person who was born in 1626. Do you know what happened in England in 1801? Well, I will tell you. The Act of Union was passed, and that meant that England, from Queen Victoria on, was called the United Kingdom, not just England. England was a separate country, Scotland, Wales, these are all separate countries, and they were unified under the Act of Union. And so in 1626, then, which is before 1801, the United Kingdom did not exist. So let's see what we can do to fix this. I'm going to tap into the birth field. And even better, it's GEDCOM data. Oh, please stop. Okay, so first off, I'm taking that out because that's just awful. And second, I'm going here and I'm going to delete United Kingdom. And when it deletes, you'll notice that there is a drop-down menu that offers a lot of different choices. We don't want one that says United Kingdom. We want one that takes in the 1600s date. And this, St. Gregory must have been the church. So I don't have that exact thing here, and I don't want to just take Norwich, Norfolk, England as an option. So I'm going to go ahead and leave what's there, but at least having taken away United Kingdom. And then the same thing we want to fix in Virginia, but first I'm just going to fix this because it's ugly. Pretty. Save. But Virginia was not in the United States in 1719. The United States were not formed until 1776. So doing this just takes a little bit of knowledge. That's all it is. And so I'm going to fix this again with the GEDCOM data. Yuck. Maybe you say GEDCOM. I don't. Virginia, British Colonial America. That is the correct designation. It was in the drop-down menu, and I save it. I'm going to be doing this with a lot of other people in this family because there are a lot of messes, not to mention this other, which is just ugly, and I don't know what the deal is with that. But source-wise, there are sources here, and that is helpful. I'm going to take out this because it is not a primary source. If you use something that is a conglomeration of other people's work as a source, you're shortchanging yourself. It's not historically accurate. It's not genealogically accurate. So that's my little cleanup on Abraham Rainwater. And I just wanted to share it. And I hope you're having a good day. And I'll talk to you soon.